Tonight to our Azure Government Meetup, hashtag Azure Gov Meetup. This is, I've lost count how many, but we're almost at 2,000 members. So thanks for participating and joining us tonight. We're very excited you're here. My name is Karina Hami. I'm part of the Azure Government engineering team based in Washington, D.C. And I'm one of the founders of this community, and then Vishwas.
Thank you, Karina. I'm Vishwas, CTO for Applied Information Science, co-founder of this group. Like you said, I checked this afternoon, almost 2,000, not quite there yet.
I think we need 4 more?
Yes, okay. So I'm sure it'll happen soon.
Yes. So anyway, thank you for being here tonight. We always start off of why are we here? I think when we first had a dialogue on creating a user community group, we had just launched Azure Government in this market. And we really wanted a forum where people could share their best practices, come together in a non-sales environment, and learn from leaders who are kind of leading the way in innovation on cloud. Vishwas, I know you love talking about this.
I would just add that, some of you attended the last month's session. That was particularly exciting for me because, as Karina said, when we started this group, it was really about talking about the new services that were being rolled out almost 3 years back. And if you came to the last meetup, we had at least 2 partners come in and present what they were doing on Azure Gov and the excitement and the kinds of solutions that they were talking about and the things that we all could learn from them really captures the essence of why we created this group.
So the last meetup, if you weren't here, was Demopalooza. So we're always here to listen to your ideas of what you want to hear from us and what we can put together for content. So please reach out to us with those ideas and we'll create something for our next meetup. So with that, our next meetup is on the 28th of November. We already have a great speaker from DIUX coming, our CTO from our DoD team, and a couple other speakers that we're working on emerging tech. So please come. And then we have the rest of the year already outlined. So again, welcome those topics and for you to participate. With that, we do like to cover kind of any big announcements. We just had our Microsoft Government Forum where we announced a lot of big things. The secret regions, we've been talking a lot about that. That's coming this spring at the end of Q1 of 2019. And a lot around data box, and we've been talking a lot about intelligent edge, and so we're very excited about releasing that in Azure Government. And then reserved instances, that was really big, or Azure reservations. Do you want to talk about Fast Track too?
No, I would just say that, these are, if you caught the blog post, I think it was on October 9th, the blog post from Julia White, that talked about many of these things. Quite exciting announcements around Databox Edge. If you've been looking at edge computing, moving not just storage, but intelligence closer to where your other applications may be. So really exciting set of announcements. And then, as Karina said, Azure reservations, and then Fast Track available for the government now in DC.
Yeah, and so that's really important. What Fast Track will do is if you're working on your first workload, they will come and help you with that. So really kind of enabling folks in their journey in cloud. So if you GovForum was a small event, but now what we're introducing is the Ignite Tour here in DC. So that's for 2,500 folks to attend in the Washington Convention Center February 4th and 5th. So it has a lot of good training tracks and demos and everything you could imagine. So please check it out. I think the registration opens November 15th.
And if you did not get a chance to get to Ignite, there were lots of very interesting sessions. You can, of course, catch the videos. Ignite.
Weren't you one of the speakers at Ignite?
I was not this time.
Oh no, okay.
I was not. I was speaking at something called Techorama, which coincided with Ignite. But Ignite is one of my favorite conferences. Lots of sessions. And then Ignite Tour is about capturing a key of those sessions and presenting and being it available here. So I would definitely check it out if you're available on these dates here listed on the slide.
So one thing we try to do today is partner with a new organization, and this is the WIT Network. This is a group of women based out of our partner network. So if you're interested in joining, please reach out to them. Can they raise their hands? So at the networking piece of this, at the end of the session, please feel free to talk to Madeline. So with that, we're really excited about having an amazing panel here tonight and having really great dialogue. We're going to have about 20 minutes of Q&A, but we really wanted to allow time for you all to ask questions of this amazing panel. And then we have Yujin coming up. She's from the Azure Government Engineering team to also do a fabulous demo around Azure Security Center. So with that, we should go ahead and start our program.